Well, hello, William Williams Philippines. It is Saturday, July 5th at just a hair short of noon, 11:45. So, yay. Hope everybody's had a enjoyable 4th of July weekend so far. Hopefully nobody lost any fingers or such because of fireworks. Somebody probably did, but hopefully none of my watchers. Uh, Hopefully nobody, but yeah. Fireworks can be dangerous. It's one of the hazards of them. Anyway, I'm hoping everybody's had a good one. Uh, Came home, did a couple things, and run back out the door on my way over to get to the club meeting, and managed to talk to a couple people about push polls. One said interested, want to get my number, address, and come take a look. I hope he does. Uh, I'm not so sure I want it to be today, but we'll see. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. Trying to get it figured out. It's so much fun. Anyway, yeah, long day yesterday, long day today. I'm ready for it to be over with. Made the mistake of grabbing the wrong pair of glasses and running off, and I had these are trifocals. The other ones was just single vision, so I could see stuff way out. I could actually watch TV last night and see the TV. Real good too. I didn't want to watch TV. I wanted to be able to look at my computer, and that was fuzzy. And he wasn't a bear. Yeah. So yeah, made last night interesting. One eye trying to read, and I'm still trying to run up and down and find the right spot because you got to do that with these. But though that pair, just same all the way around. But I was still trying to see if I could find the right spot. They are definitely not up close glasses. That's why I want to get my eyes fixed, solve that problem, because that's just yeah, it's a headache, and I'm ready for it to be away, done with. Uh, so I also made a mistake on what was it, Wednesday. Yeah, I think that's when I threw everything in there. Thinking I had somebody signing, I was thinking I was going to be out of here real quick. So I threw my kitchen pots and pans and some utensils into a Balak buying box and sealed it up. Sealed it up real good. Didn't realize I didn't have a frying pan to cook in until Friday afternoon. Yeah. The only good thing was that I actually bought a whole chicken, rotisserie chicken. Yeah, it is what it is. So I didn't really realize it until Friday around noon when I was about to go try and fry something and I realized, oops, it's in the box. So now I have another frying pan to put in a box. Uh, Life can be fun at times. Actually, it's fun all the time if you just let it be. But hey, what's a little kick sideways? I survived. No casualties. It is what it is. But I can look at it and laugh and realize, yeah, that was not a bright one. I shouldn't have sealed the box. I could seal that in 10 minutes. Yeah. Oh well, life does go on. Uh, it is what it is. Tried to swing by the farmer's market on the way home, and the people I wanted to see weren't there. Uh, didn't get to go because I was at the club meeting. Eh, life happens. Anyway, tomorrow morning, hash browns, bacon, and eggs. I got a couple pounds of bacon left. So, and I think I still have a full dozen and a half of eggs. So, yay. It is what it is. Uh, anyway, I'm tired. I'm ready to go to sleep and call it a day. I hope everybody's had a blessed one. Uh, Still got to get something figured out for the house. Um, yeah, this is definitely irritating because I don't want to run and have something go wrong and have to come back here and spend money to come back and then turn around and go back. Don't want to waste money. So, yeah. And if I'm going to have to spend it, do I want to try to, do I want to try to just change the tickets, lose what I lose because of reservations being for one area and not another? I don't know. A couple of them I think I can, you know, like Southwest, I can move that one. It'll cost me a little. Uh, but yeah, my airlines I can move over. Uh, I've got a reservation at a Super 8. I think I might be able to move that one too. It's the one over in the Philippines. I'm not sure. Gonna have to figure that one out if I have to. But I don't have to do it yet. Uh, Come Friday, Thursday or Friday, I'll definitely be having to figure it out. Because, yeah, definitely by Monday. Want to have enough time to get everything taken care of if I have to reschedule. You know, 2.5 weeks is a lot of time. Yeah, 2 weeks. Trying to figure out schedules. I don't even want to go through this again. I want to go when I got it planned. Hopefully, somebody comes in a hurry come Monday morning. That'd be nice. Need to talk to my bank too. Oh, there's always so much fun stuff to take care of. But yeah, I brought a Balikbayan box in. Part of me says, just give it to my aunt to hold. And if they have to ship something, there's a way to ship something. The other part says, no, go ahead and fill it up, and I can just carry empty boxes that are flat over to her. This one's no longer flat, it's taped up. So, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired. You're probably tired of hearing me ramble. I hope you've had a blessed weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Do the like, comment, subscribe thing. You know, do you. Your choice. Live your life. Enjoy it. I'm Williams, Philippines, and hey, I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later, bye.